Alright guys, today I want to talk to you about the 5 kinds of taxes that a business is subject to if you have a coaching and consulting business more specifically. But yeah, this is just kind of the basics of them. I'm gonna make videos going in depth on all these subjects, but here we go. So I have some notes here. The first one is going to be local and county business tax receipts. Essentially, this is just a business license, right? So this is a privilege to do business in your county. And essentially what you're going to do when you're going to pay this tax is you're going to tell them what kind of business you're running, and yeah, it's usually a fixed amount. So it's not a lot. It's usually like $30 to like $150, $160 per year just to do business. Again, business license, number 1. Number 2 is going to be your sales tax. This isn't usually for service-based industries. This is more like if you're selling a product. So drop shippers, e-commerce guys, if you're selling a product for $100, then you would charge $106 for the sales tax. If in your state the sales tax is 6%, if it's 4%, you would charge 4, whatever. You would collect the $100 for yourself, take the $4, save it, and you're gonna remit it to the state for sales tax, right? So that's not yours, but you would charge it to your client, right? So it won't come out of your pocket. Yeah. Number 3, federal and state unemployment tax. So this is going to be paid by an employer if you have an employee. So if you're a coaching consultant and you've hired full-time video editor or a photographer, or even a part-time photographer or video editor, and you're paying him money every week on a pay stub, and you're giving him a W-2 and he's your employee, then you as the coach and consultant, you are required to pay federal and state unemployment tax. All right, so yeah, that's only if you're hiring someone. If you don't have someone on board, don't even worry about it, you're good. Number 4 is going to be self-employment tax. Self-employment taxes. This is a pretty broad and big subject. I'm going to make a whole video going in specifically on that one too. But essentially, it's just Social Security and Medicare tax. It's 15.3% of your 92.35 AGI. If you're confused by those terms, don't worry, I'm going to explain them later. But yeah, it's just 15.3% of pretty much your total taxable income, at least. And number 5 is going to be profit. Yeah, federal income tax, right? Along with state income tax. If you live in a state that does have, I'm pretty sure most states do charge state income tax, unless you're in specific ones like Tennessee, Texas, Florida, I think. But yeah, this income tax, your federal income tax, is going to be on the profit of your business. So it's going to be based on your tax rate and your tax brackets. Again, if you're confused on that, don't worry, this is what this channel is for. I'm gonna break this down for you guys in a simple way. You're gonna go down here, and then yeah, so to illustrate this, let's just say you made $140,000 total, right? You made, not counting expenses, $40,000 were expenses, right? So now your AGI, adjusted gross income, is 100K, aka your taxable income is 100K. You're gonna get taxed on 100K, right? From that 100K, then they're gonna take out self-employment tax, federal income tax, state income tax. Okay, so it's from that. I don't like to say net income. I only like to use net income when you're talking about after tax, because that's really what it means. AGI is before tax. Net income is after tax. So AGI, or taxable income, would be 100K, and like I said, from that number, that's where you take out self-employment tax, federal income tax, state income tax. But yeah, those are the 5 different types of taxes a business is subject to, specifically coaches and consultants, guys. If you have any more questions, let me know. More videos coming, but that's all I wanted to talk to you guys today about. So